Hi, my name is Wendy with WTI. I really like the Elobara natural blowout curling system. It's super easy to use. So this is what it looks like. It's almost like foam. So the foam kind of just, your hair wraps around it. It's silk. Here's the clips that you got just to kind of hold it in place. Plus it's nice to like separate your hair. And then your two silk scrunchies. So when you are putting it in, you can kind of see through this video here, you would almost like you're braiding it around. So just kind of grab some, twist it around, grab more hair. So it's super easy to use if you're really wanting to protect your hair from a lot of heat. You can kind of just pull it out and watch those curls fall down. And we've got ourselves a beautiful, look at that. So I think you should go out and grab it, but that's my point of view.